Alright everyone, State College WX here. And now, we're going to do an alarm test on this clock. So here we go. Alright, here we go. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, there you go. Well, apparently turning, I guess, the volume, I hit the snooze button. But there you go. That's basically what it sounds like. So, why don't we try and setting it up again. There we go. Let's see what happens this time. We'll get to hear it go off again, so we can hear it go off a little bit longer this time.
September 2024 will be remembered for decades to come, mostly due to impacts from major Hurricane Helene. But two other tropical systems also stirred up trouble, not uncommon for the peak month of Atlantic hurricane season. We'll start with Francine. The tropical wave quickly strengthened while moving into the western Gulf, becoming a tropical.
There you go. That basically is what it sounds like. So, I hope you enjoyed.